Mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka uria ureja wa bururi ndarari mucemanio-ini ucio uria uratongoririo ni gavana wa Makueni Kivutha Kibwana hamwe na atongoria angi a kiama giki aria marari mucemanio-ini uyu wa kwibanga ni hamwe na senator wa Makueni Mutula Kilonzo Jr na munini wa mutongoria wa kiama kiu Farah Maalim. Makiaria na andiki a mohoro thutha wa mucemanio uyu, atongoria aya ni marareganire na ritana ria ngwataniro ya NASA ria gucokerera maandamano na marakumithia na njira nene itharikira ria andiki a mohoro ica ikuhi ni arumiriri a mutongoria wa NASA Raila Odinga.
Some of what we discuss is how to strengthen our party because our party and its leader, Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, they are destined for a major role as we go towards 2022.
Na kire kionereria ati Wiper ni gutiga kugomera cikaro cia bunge. Mucemanio uyu ni uraririirie uria kamiti cia bunge ikugayanwo hindi no bunge irigirirwo gucokereria cikaro ciayo kiumia turorete.
We also discussed the House leadership as well as parliamentary committees because as we make the decision about going forward, at least those committees should be in place.
Thutha wa gwitikira gukorwo ari munini wa mutongoria wa NASA Raila Odinga, Kalonzo Musyoka ni arerigiriirwo gukahuranira giturwa gia president mwaka wa 2022 thutha wa Raila kuga angiakorirwo ari president wa ikereka rimwe agikorwo ni athurirwo githurano-ini kia mweri wa kanana kiria kiahotanirwo ni president Uhuru Kenyatta. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Kimemia wa Mwangi.